I've owned this machine myself. I bought this machine 21 years ago. Somebody asked me how many times I adjusted the tracking on that machine. One time. One time I've had to adjust the tracking on that machine. I want everybody to come over, take a look at that upper roller assembly. Get right in there and grab that sucker. That is one heavy duty upper roller assembly. Just one guy? Come on. Get you Hummel guys in there. Take a look at that. It's a self-correcting roller, okay? So as the paper will start to, mistrack, this will kick itself back over. That's one of the great things I love about this machine. A couple of the other things that I really love about this machine is the balance, okay? The balance of this from my transition, from going forward to back, okay? There's some machines out there, we're not gonna name names, where even before you start going backwards, you gotta give it a little kick to make sure the wheels turn the right way, okay? The balance on this is like nothing you've ever tried before. Just perfect, smooth transition going back and forth. The other thing that's fantastic about this machine is the sight lines, okay? You don't have to be 6'8" to see where you're going with this machine. Some machines, they're so long, it's kind of hard to see where you're going. This has great sight lines. She's compact, but she wallops a punch, okay? The sight lines, fantastic. The balance, like nothing you've ever run before, seriously. It's for old timers like us who have put the time in. We deserve a good, nice, solid type machine that's easy to run. A couple other things about this. It's got a dual pulley system for the drum speed. What's that? Yeah, here we go. All right, everybody take a look at this. So you've got your pulley, okay? We got our vac pulley, but then we have our drum speed pulley right here. There's two of them. So when you need to slow it down or speed it up, if I need to get really aggressive, I can speed this up to like 2200 RPM. If I want to slow it down, if I'm fine cutting maple or hickory, something hard, I'm going to slow it down a little bit so I'm not getting that burnishing type thing. Really nice to have that option where sometimes you just want to slow it down a little bit. The other thing is the pressure setting here. It's kind of like the old American Lincoln pressure settings for you guys same age as me, okay? Where a lot of your pressure settings on some of your machines out there are just coarse, medium, fine. All right, this, you have an infinite number. You can dial it in, dial it out. You really once you start running this machine and you get that adjustment, that head pressure adjustment that you have here. All right, we're not talking head speed, we're talking head pressure adjustment now. You really start to fine tune what you're doing. I'm constantly, I feel like I want a little bit more bite, all right? It feels like I'm getting a little too much bite and I can just back it off a little bit, where some of your pieces of equipment that just have those 3 pressure settings, you're kind of stuck with it. You know what I mean? Where here, you can really dial it in. The other great thing about that is once I change my pulley speed, now I've got a whole infinite number of pressure settings again. So, like I said, I can't say enough about this machine. The clutch system on this thing is beautiful. Get used to using it, all right? Some of you Hummel guys, I can tell you're Hummel guys, you got that little Hummel bump right there on your hand, right? This has got a really nice clutch. The other thing that I like about this clutch, it's a very simple adjustment, so I can let the clutch down if I want more clutch, or I can let it up. You can adjust that. The people who designed this thing, I know somewhere along the line the guy was a sander, okay? He had to be a sander because there's just so many great adjustments with this that it's just an incredible machine. I want everybody to get some time behind it. If you're looking at buying a new piece of equipment, really take a solid look at this machine. It's almost like having two machines in one. I mean, you can get as aggressive with this machine as you can a Galaxy, or I can fine tune it to cut as smooth as a Hummel. So like I said, it's like two machines in one.
Rob, the tension on the drive belt there, as far as adjusting if you want more tension or less tension on the drive belt, is done right here.
Yeah, the pressure setting is you just raise and lower the motor. There's a screw right here, okay? Same thing when you're going to adjust the machine. If you see here, you see that mark in the floor? I just wanted to see where my cut pattern was. I wanted to make sure I wasn't cutting too heavy on one side, too light on the other. Very easy adjustment. If this does come out of adjustment, the wheels, okay? The adjustment is this wheel here. This wheel here is always in the same place, okay? It comes with an adjusting tool. You set it on this wheel, you loosen this. You can only adjust the one wheel. The other wheel is constant. So it makes it very easy to adjust. It's on a cam, you loosen it, you can raise it up or raise it down to make your adjustment. It's quick, it's easy, okay? While we have the machine up, let's talk let's talk a little bit about why we cut from left to right. Now you notice I say that really slow because we all started cutting from right to left for the older guys who brought up on drum sanders, because that's the way they were set up. The reason that we're cutting from left to right, okay, is because of where this wheel is here. If we cut from the right side of a room going to the left side of the room, the first wheel that's going to hit that floor is here. This wheel hits before the other two wheels and before where the drum sander is, where the sandpaper is. So any high spots, low spots, okay, anything that wheel hits, it's going to telegraph to the drum and make that hitch in the floor. By running it left to right, all three wheels are always going to be traveling in a freshly sanded area. So that's the whole idea behind the right and the left thing. You can't adjust your machines to do one or the other, okay? That's why belt sanders, they're all set up the same way, have to cut from the left side to the right side. Okay? Good? Any questions about this?
What's it weigh?
190 pounds.
Yeah, that was my question.
For those of us that have to get up 3 floors with narrow steps.
You look like a strong guy. Just pick it up. No problem. Yeah. No, the motor comes off. Okay? Very simple to get the motor off. It's just this one right here. Release the two belts, drop the motor down, release the belts, unscrew that. You're probably going to drop it down. I think the motor weighs about 80 pounds. Yeah, it's definitely workable. Next thing we're going to talk about is the power drive. This is a 220 machine. It's actually two machines in one, okay? We have, like I said, the 4-head cut. All right, everybody move in close. You can take a look at this. Okay, it's gear driven. So as it's spinning one way, okay, the head spin the other way. It's counterclockwise thing. When you turn this on, it actually stays in place. It's not like a buffer where it's going to be swinging all crazy on you. Very, very simple to run, okay? Everybody's going to get plenty of time behind this, but you can take this plate off and put a regular buffer plate on it. So it's going to do, you know, like I said, it's two machines in one. You can use this as a cutter, or you can use this as a buffer, a 220 buffer. And like I said, it just runs on these like that. It's going one way, heads are going the other way. Great for parquet, herringbone, pattern type floors. Okay, we got guys using this for everything. Some people will just go in, cut once with a drum, finish off with this. And like I said, everybody's gonna get plenty of time to run it. A couple of the other things, comes with that light on there. All of our buffers also have this hydraulic gas where all you have to do is press the button on the top here, move it up and down. Very easy to adjust. Great balance on these machines also. Like I said, everybody's gonna get a shot at running them, and you know, you'll be able to feel it for yourself. Yes, yep. It's going to be much less aggressive than you would have on your drum sanders. So over here we do have an engineered floor. We're not going to touch that floor with the drum. We're just going to use the power drive on it. And everybody's going to get it. Like I said, everybody's going to have plenty of shots to run all the equipment.